Guys, right behind me here is a 2022 Lamborghini Aventador Ultimae. This is the last hurrah for the Lamborghini Aventador before they moved on to the Lamborghini Revuelto. We're gonna go ahead and check it out, take a look at the exterior and interior and all of its features. Now let's go ahead and open her up. Take a look at that interior. You have a door actuator right over here. And of course, you have that signature Lamborghini scissor doors. Extremely beautiful. You have your door seal completely in carbon fiber that says Aventador. You have a beautiful two-tone black Alcantara with yellow stitching on the seats. Signature Lamborghini pattern here on the seats. Beautiful, beautiful car. Let's go ahead and take a seat inside. Right here you have your door panel. Combination of Alcantara, Rover, and carbon fiber. Obviously there's no storage pocket because the doors go up. And if there was a storage pocket, everything would just fall off. Sensonium sound system. Look at this beautiful steering wheel dash right over here. Let's go ahead and press that button so it could come alive. Beautiful steering wheel. You have your media controls right here in the steering wheel. You have your paddle shifters in the back. They're not carbon fiber, unlike the STO. Over here you have your light switches, your hood release. You have your AC vents. It says Lamborghini right here. You have a storage pocket right over here. But beautiful two-tone black yellow interior. Alcantara all throughout the roof. Small sun visor. Your lights, of course. This car only has 1,066 miles. You have your infotainment system. You have your window switches, the button to raise and lower the car, AC controls, engine start-stop button, just like in a fighter jet. Some more media controls, reverse, manual mode, parking brake. And right behind here, you have a little bit of storage pocket with a cigarette lighter and a USB port. Nothing behind the driver and passenger seats, but a nice view of that V12 engine back there. But that's pretty much it for the interior. Let's go ahead and climb out and take a look at the exterior of the car. I mean, just look at this thing, guys. Beautiful white and black two-tone. You have your Lamborghini headlight right there, LED lighting, carbon fiber all throughout the bumper. You have your Lamborghini emblem as well. And the car just looks beautiful with the doors up. Huge yellow carbon ceramic brakes. And you have a 255, 30, 20-inch wheels. Look how huge those brakes are. Amazing. Of course, you can't forget the Italian flag. Vents for air to come in and cool the engine. Right there you have that V12, and of course you have your firing order right there. Lamborghini usually does that on other V12 cars. Dual exhaust, rear diffusers painted with yellow striping. This is a very beautiful car, and I think Lamborghini did a great job, you know, saying goodbye to the Aventador. This thing is capable of reaching 220 plus miles an hour. As I mentioned, this thing has a 6.5 liter V12 engine, making 769 horsepower, made it to a 7-speed automatic transmission. It's all-wheel drive, and if you're worried about fuel economy, she will do 9 miles per gallon in the city, 16 miles per gallon on the highway. I mean, that's the price you pay when you have a V12 powerful Lamborghini engine. Guys, as I was saying, I really love the yellow stitching all throughout the car. Also the center line here on the steering wheel. But this is just a beautiful car overall, inside and out. One thing I forgot to mention is that this is one of 350. And if we close the door here, this is number 1 of 350. Beautiful, beautiful Lamborghini Aventador Ultimae. Carbon fiber side skirt, known for collecting dust and rocks. Huge opening here for the radiators on each side. Openings, of course, for the engine bay to keep that engine cool. But just take a look at that beautiful 6.5 liter V12 engine, making 769 horsepower. Amazing car. Oh, nice GT3. Alright guys, so that's it for this Lamborghini Aventador Ultimae. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more car content, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.